find it difficult to think hard. So in order to solve this type of question in your forthcoming exam, you need to think hard. Now let's see this question. Find the values of n which make the following quadratic expression a perfect square. S squared plus 2 into n plus 1 into s plus n plus 3. So how are we going to go about it? So the first thing that you have to do is that you know that for an expression to be perfect square, a perfect square, now let me show you a perfect square. A plus b divided by square. A plus b square is a perfect square, and you can now write it like a plus b into a plus b. So now this is a perfect square. No, now we now expand. So it's going to give us a square plus ab plus ab plus b square. I didn't want to jump, so it's going to be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now this is what a perfect square should be. So now we are looking for this expression. It has some things that can make it a perfect square, but we don't know. So now s squared plus 2 into n plus 1 x plus n plus 3. So it's going to be equals to this a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now this is it. So we want to compare this, the expression we are given, and this is another quadratic expression. So we want to equalize it. So this a square and x square, they are the same. We can easily say that 2 into n plus 1 bracket x is the same thing as 2ab. So we can now say our 2 cancel 2. So this is our a. So we can now say our b, our a is the x. So we don't need it. So we can say our b from this is equivalent to n plus 1. So when our b is n plus 1, so our b square is going to be n plus 3. B square is equals to, so our b is n plus 1. So it means that our b square is n plus 1 into n plus 1. So and our b square is equals to n plus 3. So we equalize it to n plus 3. So now let's expand this. So we are going to have n square plus m plus plus 1 is equal to n plus 3. So now we have m square plus 2m plus 1 is equals to n plus 3. So now if we take these two in, we have m square plus 2m minus m plus 1 minus 3 is equals to 0. So now what we have is that m square plus m plus m, because then minus 2 is equals to 0. So we are going to factorize this equation, this quadratic equation. So we are going to look for two numbers that if you multiply is going to give us minus 2, but if you add is going to, so we are going to have n square minus plus 2m minus m minus 2 is equals to 0. So I choose minus plus 2m minus m. Reason is that the coefficient of 2m, which is 2, times coefficient of minus m, if you multiply it's going to give you minus 2, but if you add it together it will give you plus. So now let's factorize it. So m into m plus 2 into minus 1 into m plus 2 is equals to 0, which means that m plus 2 into m minus 1 is equals to 0. M plus 2 equals 0, or m minus 1 equals 0. M is equals to minus 2, or m is equals to 1. So it means that this expression s squared plus 2 into m plus 1 bracket x plus m plus 3 can be, you can add -2 or 1 plus 1 to it to make it a perfect square. So and that is that. So that's how to go about it. If this video is beneficial and helpful to you, kindly like, share and comment, and invite your friends that is scared of maths to come and watch it. Bye.